Today, I'm going to cover the Watcher Find and Redact function within CaseGuard. The Find and Redact function with the Watcher keeps track of files in a desired folder, analyzes the document for specific words or patterns from a created analytics list, redacts them, and exports them to a desired export folder. With your Watcher named, folder locations chosen, and operation dropdown set to Redact Document, let's click the Add button. Now you'll be able to choose what operations you want the Watcher to perform. Select the Perform, Find, and Redact from the list. You can now choose an analytics list you made previously or create a new one. The list I built previously has all the items I want redacted, like phone numbers, emails, and some names. Click Apply, then click Save. The Watcher should now appear in your Watcher tab. If you look here, it shows we have 0 files in our input, so let's add some by opening the input folder. We can also open the output folder to see the progress between both. I'll paste 3 files into the input folder. Now the Watcher recognizes 3 files are in the input folder, while new redacted files are being generated in the output folder. Notice how the files disappear and move to the newly created processed folder. Now if we open the exported files, we should see that the redactions were applied to the desired locations on all files from the analytics list we chose. Hope this helps.